trying to date right now.
If you've been on this channel, you know I love neutral colors.
Still trying to figure my own life out.
The pot looks like.
And I don't wanna love anybody else.
This is huge.
Till I learn how to fall in love with myself. Maybe I'm insecure, or maybe the world is the problem. I guess I'm not really sure, so how do I learn what I'm worth?
Friends, good evening. It's Saturday. If this is your first time seeing me, you're welcome to my channel. If this is not your first time, you're welcome back here again. Today is Saturday, as I said. I just got back from some errands. I went to run some errands. I'll show you guys in a bit what I went to do, but holding you guys like this is not possible, so I might keep you down as usual, or probably I'll get my tripod and see if I can keep you like this, but I doubt. But let me unbox with you guys what I got before I get a tripod if possible. Okay, so let me show you guys what I got. This is one. Woo. You guys can see it. From the pot cover, if you're a mom or you're a woman, you should know what this is. It is Our Place. This is so beautiful. This is nice. This is a sponge. So I got, before I even continue unboxing, I was going to tell you guys what I got. So I got a pot. I've been wanting to get like beautiful, nice quality pots for my kitchen. I love to cook. In fact, if you check my channel, one of the videos that is really keeping this channel going is actually a cooking video. So I'm the kind of person that I love to cook. I love to make good delicacies, Nigerian dishes and everything. So for a while I've not been having that motivation to cook, but recently, since I started my weight loss journey, I realized that I enjoy making food, cooking every day. So I was like, okay, I think I need to do something that would motivate me to cook more. And I've been thinking about spicing up my kitchen by getting very good, nice pots. So this is the first one we're starting with. After a while, I'll do away with all my old pots and keep my very good, beautiful pot. So I wanted to get the caraway pot. I think it comes in about, they have the 4 set and they have the 6 set. I was like, that pot, and the one I wanted to get is white, and it's not possible that I'll keep using all my pots to be white. You know, we Africans, we have palm oil. The kind of food we eat, there's a lot of color to eat. So not artificial color though, but like natural colors that is likely going to stay in a white pot. So it doesn't really make sense that all my pots should be white. So what I try to do is, I love brown. If you've been on this channel, you know I love neutral colors, brown, neutral and all that. So I've been trying to make sure my pot also has a hint of neutral colors like this one. I love this very beautiful color that this one has. I'll still get the brown of this. So instead of getting one getting all my pots from one brand, like maybe Caraway, I've decided to like get from different brands, different colors, that will just make my kitchen colorful and make me want to cook. You know, if I think of coming to the kitchen, I'll be like, maybe I'll use this pot today, you know. Yes, my daughter. Isabel, can you please, can you help put on the light for her, please? She wants to use the restroom. So yeah, I'm going to be like, maybe I'll use this pot today and it will make me want to cook. Okay, so let's continue this unboxing. I'm very sorry that I can't keep the camera where you guys will see me unboxing. Ryan, can you help me? Come and hold the camera. Oh, don't worry. I want him to hold it so I can show you guys, but let me just bring it here. So this is what the pot looks like. This is the packaging. It has the name of the brand, Our Place, on it. So this is what it looks like. So I got just one. As I said, I'm going to get one more from this brand, and that is it. There's this other one that looks like a frying pan but has a cover. I'm getting that one and I'm getting this one. That's the two I'm getting from this brand. And the color, the one I'm getting in for this brand is going to be probably a brown color. This one is not brown. This is beige. Yeah. So I'm getting the brown. So this thing is supposed to be. See, it came with what you can put your pot. When you finish cooking, you keep your pot on top. So just to hold the pot in place. This is really nice. Okay. This is how the pot looks. Beautiful. Beautiful pot. Beautiful pot. Okay.
I like it.
You like it, mommy?
Yeah.
My daughter says she likes it. It has a spatula or a spoon, a wooden spoon. So this is what we have here. You guys see how beautiful and pretty it looks. One of our more luxurious pots to come. So we are collecting pots now. Yeah. See the under, it just has the name and our place. I love this brand. I love their pot. See how it looks on my. See how it looks there? Beautiful. The whole place is a mess yet, but just take a look at it. Even matches my purse. Like, see, matches my purse. Yeah. So you guys, I really love this pot. I'm so happy. I don't think I'll use it to cook yet. It's just like I should just put it on my shelf and just decorate my house. It looks so. The quality is amazing. It's beautiful. It's beautiful. If you don't own one of these, if you love to cook, own one of these pots. It's beautiful, and it looks like it's going to contain a lot. It's just like the sizes of my other gray color pot. So yeah, I love it. I love it. I must confess, it's beautiful. So that is it. I wanted to quickly unbox that with you. I'm ready to have dinner. I think it's about 6:17. It wants to rain, right? Woo! At least the weather is going to get a little cold. Thank God. It's been so hot recently in Texas, so it rains. It's good. At least we're going to sleep without AC and in a cool environment without the AC, not the artificial cold. So yeah, guys, that is it for now. I'll catch up with you guys within the week. But today is Sunday. We're about to round up, clean up the house. I'm going to have dinner, take my bath. And I said I'll see you guys tomorrow. I want to quickly eat dinner. Good morning. It's Saturday here, and I just finished my morning routine. I went to do my usual morning walk and taking my steps in. Then I came back and I did few strength training with the dumbbell I got from Walmart. And yeah, I was just about to start my chill day, and I said, okay, let me come here and talk to you guys, because today is going to be very chill for me, which I'm loving already, because I try to make sure that, as I said, I do most of my duties or prepping, food prepping, cleaning during the week after work. So even if I'm very tired and I go to bed, I'll be more relaxed in the morning when I wake up, knowing that I have nothing much to do. So quickly, yesterday I made food. I went to Walmart, I went to Target, I got all the things I need. I don't think I need anything this week. I prepped all my food, I put them in the container, so it's easier for me to eat healthy within the week. When I don't prep, then hunger will just start playing games for me. Then I'll be forced to eat anything because I did not prep. Okay, so I hope this angle is okay, but let me show you guys something I ordered from Amazon. This is not the best angle, guys, but I'm sorry. This is how. Oh, yeah. Take my address out. As I said, this is not the best angle, but this is what we have to work with for now. Okay. So, trying to look for the opening. So, recently I've been trying to I get very scared whenever I'm doing this thing, because I'm like, what if I just hurt myself in the process? I guess I'm not that careless. huge. I didn't know this is as big as this. So this is a protein powder for my weight loss journey. It's the Legion Whey Plus um, protein powder, and this has the strawberry and banana. And they said in the ingredients, in the description, it's grass-fed whey protein isolate, naturally sweetened and flavored, no sugar added, which is what I wanted. So it's 30 servings, dietary supplement. Yeah, so these are all the supplement facts. It's sugar. Okay, the sugar is 1 gram. Perfect. Nothing more than 2 grams of sugar, or highest 5 in anything. It's good. But okay, everything is 0. Saturated fat 0, trans fat 0. So good. Sodium, it has high sodium though. Potassium 139. Okay, so the protein is it's pure protein powder. So this is what has stevia extract, stevia leaf extract. Okay. Yeah, I love it. Okay, so this is it, and I did not know it's this big. I got it from Amazon. It's just to help me hit protein goals. So I've been trying to not only lose weight but also get some muscle, like build muscle. Not like I want to go and fight for, how do they call those boxing people? I'm not going to box or anything, but I just want to look firm when I lose the weight. I don't want to lose the weight and look sick, okay? So I got that because I've been trying to hit my protein goals. It's very hard. Not until I started this whole stuff I knew how difficult it is to hit protein goals, but it was hard. But that's by the way. Yesterday I cooked stir fry with chicken and shrimps and jasmine rice, and I prepped it in a bowl, so I have it ready to just warm and eat. And I already measured everything. I measure my food now on the scale, which is crazy. Like sometimes even after measuring, the hunger will just disappear. But and funny enough, I don't get hungry like the way I used to get hungry. I'm not gonna lie. I think what was making me get hungry that way was carbohydrates. Since I reduced my carb intake, I don't feel that. When you're hungry, your tummy starts aching. I don't feel it. Like I eat because I have to eat, because I know the whole of the next day I might not eat because I'm fasting. So that's the only reason why I eat. If other than that, I don't think I would have been eating, which is funny. But yeah. What else am I doing this morning? Nothing. I just wanted to come and catch up with you guys a little bit. Yeah, and show you guys some of the things that I've been loving. So I've been using a lot of sugar-free stuff. Other than trying to lose weight, as I said, this year is my year of eating healthy, just doing better for myself. Not just for myself, my kids too, because whatever I get, my kids to eat it. So I'm not just trying to be selfish and just me. Also my family, okay? My husband, my kids. So whatever I eat, they will eat, okay? So sugar-free stir-fry sauce. I used this for my stir-fry yesterday. It's by G. Hughes, I don't know. This guy. Everybody uses his stuff now, and it's really nice. I also have a sugar-free teriyaki marinade. I haven't used this one. What I used yesterday was a stir-fry sauce, which was delicious. My kids loved it. When they finished eating, they were asking for seconds, so they love it. And this sugar-free barbecue sauce, I love this. I love barbecue. From all this, you guys can tell that I love sweets. So once in a while, I try to take in my sweets. I have fruits prepped in the fridge. I wanted to get this Walmart and great value fruit, that has a mixture of blackberry, blueberry, and bananas. But guys, I bought that thing before and it was trash. The smell or the taste, it wasn't just it was giving artificial. Probably they added something to make it last longer in the freezer, I don't know. But I had to make mine, so I got fresh fruit, washed it with salt, and I put them into the Ziploc bag, and I put it in the freezer. So it's frozen now. If I want to eat my yogurt or whatever if I want to use it for snacking, just to get in my water, fiber and vitamins, I can just snack on it when I'm when I feel like it. Okay, I wouldn't have to like when usually I put it in the fridge, but the problem with keeping it in the fridge, it has a life duration. It cannot last more than sometimes 1 week, and it starts changing taste and color. But since it's in the freezer, it's going to remain that way till whenever I want to eat it. And you guys know I love me some ice, so if it's frozen and it's in the freezer and it's nice fresh, I'm gonna eat it because it's ice. Okay, so instead of chewing on ice, I think it's a better option to chew on those fruits and just get in my fiber, get in my vitamins. And recently, since my vlogs have been about health, which is good, I think it's also is good. It's not for everybody, but I think it's also nice to be able to share my journey to healthy living, not just to losing weight. Because recently I've been on the like since I started strength training, I realized that I've not lost weight. I've still been on that particular weight number that I've been for the past 1 week. It's just been fluctuating up, down, but it has not left that number, okay, that whole number. So which I'm not worried about that, because I said I'm strength training now, so probably I'm building muscle. So even if you're burning fat, you're losing fat, and you're getting muscle, you're not going to lose weight, because something is leaving and something is still growing. Okay, the muscle is growing, which is what I want. I just don't want to lose fat and look sick. I want to have muscle, I want to be strong, I want to be, looking healthy. So that is it for this vlog. Maybe if I have anything going on, trust me, I have nothing now. I'll just go chill on the bed, take my laptop, maybe edit this vlog, watch some vlogs, relax. Later on, take a step just to get in my numbers. I want to get, whenever I don't go to work, I try to get in 6,000 to 7,000 steps. When I go to work, I get in my 10,000 steps and above. So I'll just take a walk to just add to the numbers that I did this morning. And that is it. Today is just going to be chill, and later in the evening I'm going to eat. I want to see if I can go back to my 1 meal a day. I didn't tell you guys, but I moved from 1 meal a day, and I was doing 24, which is I fast for 20 minutes, 20 hours. It's in the 4 hours. So I break my fast with proteins and I eat. So, but I'm going back to 1 meal a day, at least for now, until I switch again, take a break again, and go back to. That's it. We've been on it for a while, guys. My daughter let this freeze on. I'll talk to you guys later, okay? Thank you. Please, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe. I don't say this often, but please subscribe. Thank you for watching. And don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Thank you so much. I love you guys. Bye.
Posting it all up on Instagram isn't helping me figure out who I am. All these edited faces up on